Welcome. I'm Amy Pat T, and I am so happy you're joining me today for this practice. This practice is going to support you in letting go, emptying out, and coming into a place where you are open to receive. And maybe you want to receive just a feeling of release. Maybe you want to receive insight, ideas, inspiration, creativity. Maybe you want to receive positive vibes, good emotions, love, acceptance, compassion. Once you empty out, you'll have this beautiful open space where you can receive whatever it is that you need in this moment to feel at your best. So we'll do this practice in a seated position, and you can sit on a chair or sitting on the floor, whichever position feels best for you. And then feel free to close your eyes. And in these first few moments, just begin to tune into your breath. Just starting to feel how your breath is moving through your body today. And maybe softening the face. Releasing your jaw, letting your shoulders drop and your arms and hands release. Feeling the breath moving through the belly. Beginning to let go through the legs. See if you can sense the weight of your body releasing down into whatever is beneath you. And then let your breath begin to smooth out. See if you can stretch out your inhales and your exhales. Just breathing slowly, but without any strain. So just inhale slowly, exhale slowly, and just feel how as you do this, you're becoming a little bit more calm. Maybe you can feel how your whole self is beginning to relax and arrive in the present moment. Now we're gonna incorporate a really simple breathing technique with visualization to help us empty out. And so it's very simple. Whatever is in contact with the floor, you're going to imagine that being like an exit door. So if you're sitting on a chair and your feet are resting on the floor, the soles of your feet are the exit doors. If you're sitting on the floor, maybe with your ankles crossed, you could consider your tailbone an exit door. And we're going to be breathing in, just letting that breath come into the body, expand you a little bit. And then as you breathe out, we're going to send that breath down and out through your exit doors or exit door. So let's just give this a try. in its simplest form. So just let yourself breathe in. And then as you breathe out, you could just imagine your exit door opening and that breath just flowing out really easily, almost like you're opening up a dam and the water is just flowing, rushing out with no limitations, no restrictions. And we're just going to repeat that really simply, breathing in, breathing out, letting everything be washed away with your exhalation, moving it out through the foundation of your body. As you inhale, that inhalation can go anywhere, right? Maybe you feel it in your chest or your belly, but then as you breathe out, allowing that exhalation to draw with it everything you're ready to release. Continue like that just for a bit longer, really starting to sense, what does emptiness feel like inside of you? So right after you breathe out, right after you invite whatever is ready to release, see if you can feel into what does emptiness feel like on the inside. And we'll take just a few more rounds of this, and you can get really specific. So if there's anything lingering that you want to let go of, it can be an emotion, it can be a thought, it can be a situation, it can be a person, whatever you want to release right now, go ahead and let it go with your exhalation. Let it leave through your exit door, and know that this is just for now. Right? If you choose in the future that you want to bring this back into you, into your body, your mind, your heart, your soul, you can, right? But right now we're choosing to empty out, to create a space that is just ours, that we can then fill up with whatever we'd like. Sometimes as we're moving through life, it can get really confusing when we're filled up with so many things. So emptying out as a daily practice can be actually really beneficial. It can help you receive more insight. It can help you receive the answers you're seeking. It can help you gain clarity. It can give you a fresh start, a fresh perspective or viewpoint. So consciously empty out any last little thing that you're ready to let go of. And then taking these last few moments to acknowledge if there's anything in particular right now that you want to welcome in, that you want to experience, that you want to fill up with. And this could simply be something like love or peace. And if nothing comes, that's perfectly fine. It's okay to stay empty for a while as well. If you did choose to welcome in something, welcome in an energy, an emotion, an idea, Just breathe that in and notice how it lands inside of you. Notice how it takes up space and you are no longer empty. Let's take one last deep breath in through the nose and just sigh it out through an open mouth. If you'd like, you could bring one hand or both hands to rest over your heart, saying thank you to yourself for showing up for this practice. I appreciate you being here, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day.